Do a lot of editing and store lots of files? Running out of storage? Tired of removing and reinstalling your old HDD? There are new ways now. I'm Dr. Arafat, and welcome to Dr. Insights.
Unpack Western Digital My Passport Portable 2 TB. I have got the red color. This comes with 3 years limited warranty. It has a backup server grade and has password protection. So it comes in such a packing. So why I chose this over other is in Amazon it has around 95,000 ratings, which is really good. 2 TB version. So, and it is very thin. So let's unpack this. It comes in such a packing. The red is really bright red, and the cable comes. It weighs around 150 grams. This is the port for insertion of the USB cable, and there's a small indicator light here. I'll show the indication light. It will glow when you have connected it. And that's the cable. So it's a portable hard disk, as I said, with USB 3.0. automatic backup and some paperwork inside. Automatic backup, password encryption, compatible with all Windows and Mac. So it's a 2.5-inch hard disk with 3.0 speed. It's very slim. It comes in 3 colors: black, blue and red. So that's it. It has good speed capacities, and as soon as you connect it to any device, a computer or laptop, it is connected, and there's a Western Digital software which is pre-installed in the hard disk. You can install it and start using it. I'll be sharing you the outlay of how the Western Digital app or the software works on the system. So I got it for around 6,800 rupees on Amazon and received it the next day. So thank you guys. Links will be in the description below. Do like and subscribe to Dr. Insights. Thank you. This Western Digital hard disk drive, length of 4.22 inch, breadth of 2.95 inch. It's a slim design, fits in your palm of your hand. It has an automatic backup where you can set it up, run on your own schedule. It has a super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 or USB 3.0 or USB 2.0 compatible. It has a password protection of 256-bit AES hardware encryption. Comes with a 3 years limited warranty. It's made up of plastic material, can be formatted as NDFS or compatible with Windows, or can be reformatted for Mac devices. It comes in 3 colors: black, blue and red. Mine is red. So my personal ratings of this product is overall 4 out of 5.